This is Riverdale in Santa Clarita County. Nice, huh? Very beautiful. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Manger, really nice manger. Gives them lots of food. Good food. Pretty good food. Pretty handy food. Oh, good for the tummy. Can you guys hear them talking? Who's that there? Who's that one? Pretty big bird. Is that a robin? 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 I saw a butterfly. Did you see that butterfly? I saw a yellow swallowtail butterfly, and I couldn't hear it. I asked it what it was saying, and who was it interpreted? The mountain lion? The people over here? The songbirds? They said they did not hear this is cool. They said they did not hear what the swallowtail had to say, the yellow swallowtail, but way up in the mountains there was a creature. As it turns out, it's a young girl, mountain lion, that loved the butterfly and could hear the butterfly, which talked way too high for us to hear. And the young lady mountain lion, who's too young to find a male mountain lion yet, she said, they say, "We fly in the sky, we fly in the sky." That's what she said, I think. Sort of like that. And then I asked the young girl mountain lion if she wanted to find a male mountain lion, and she said she guessed. So I said, "Are there any male mountain lions around here?" And from over this direction, up in the higher, more distant mountains, a gruff mountain lion said, "I see her there, but she's too young to do that yet." He said, when they're not very fat, they can't have children. He said it's not good for them to have children then. So the male mountain lions wait until young girl mountain lions get bigger, and then they look for a moment of romance, I bet. Did I get that right? What? I got that wrong? What did I get wrong? What did they say? What did they say? Yeah? What did I get wrong? Okay, so I got an answer from one of the songbirds up that way. It said, he said he didn't want her right now. When she gets bigger, then he would want her. That's what that songbird heard. So you have to decide for yourself what you think that mountain lion said, because I'm not sure. Who was that? Becker? Becker. Woodpecker. Becker. Okay, so in these mountains, they call, is that woodpecker? Woodpecker. What is that? Woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. That's woodpecker. Is that woodpecker or is that quail? Woodpecker, what is that? Get a guy? Guy woodpecker? Big guy? Boss guy? What is that? Woodpecker. I don't know what this mystery bird is. I've been hearing about a big bird here, and it makes a kind of a soft call, but songbirds say it's a very big bird. Then I heard a raven. It doesn't talk much. Raven. Raven. Where are you? Won't talk. And then I heard a hawk. Raven. Songbirds say, I'm here, but I do not want to talk to you. They're interpreting for me. Why? Why don't they? Okay, too hot, right? Too hot? Oh, okay. Where are you? Where are you? Butterfly? Who's that? Woodpecker. Butterfly, where are you? Wow, look at you. Butterfly, where are you? Oh, there you are. Thank you. Wow, beautiful butterfly. Goodbye, woodpecker. Goodbye, songbirds. Bye, quiet raven. Bye, everybody. I can't catch it. That's a yellow butterfly, but it's so fast. It never stops. Where is it?